Here we go. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna draw a bit of a rectangle with wavy lines. Here we go. Down. After going across, we're going down. Wavy lines. And then we go across again, like we're making a square. That's why he's called SpongeBob Squarepants, I suppose. Now up again with your wavy lines. There we go. And now we're gonna draw slightly a diagonal line here. There we go, also wavy. Just a little bit though. And now we come back down, following the other line. Now we're gonna make a little bit of a curve, and this is gonna be the sleeve of SpongeBob. That's right, a little cylinder like that, and then a couple of straight lines, and this is gonna be the arms. And here are the hands, there's the thumb, and here we go with the fingers. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And back down with another line, and then we're going to finish it off with a little semicircle there. Now we can continue the wavy lines right back down, and then a little wavy line to connect them at the bottom. Now we can draw his square pants. Line down, line across, line down, line across, diagonal again, line down. Very good. Now what we're going to do is draw the other arm. There's the sleeve, another cylinder like that. And now we can draw the arm up just a bit. We'll give him a bit of a wave. Here we go. And now a little hand with the thumb. And now we can draw the fingers again. 1 up, 2 up, and 3 up. There we go. And a little palm. Perfect. Now we've got to draw the nose. So pick the middle of the frame of the square. And now we're going to go up and down. There we go. And now we can draw his lips. He's got a bit of a big lip here and a big happy smile. Now don't forget our buck teeth. A couple of lines of squares here too. And now we can continue the mouth with a line down and another curve coming up to meet the cheek. Finish it off with a little smile there, and now the tongue. There we go. And a little bit of a wave for the lip. Now we're going to draw his eyes. 2 big circles. 1. And the next one is 2. 2 eyes. Don't forget to not go over the nose there. And now we're going to make some eyeballs. A big round eyeball in each of those balls. And we can color them in with a pupil. There we go. And now the eyelashes. Up and down. 3, I believe, on each eye. Perfect. And another 3 on this eye. Lovely. We can color those in because they're black, aren't they? Black is night. Oh, I love coloring them in. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cheek. A little cheek there for SpongeBob with a couple of freckles. I believe he has 3. Perfect. Now let's not forget his tie. He's famous for his tie, isn't he? So an upside down triangle. And don't forget our collar. And another one. Just triangles, that's all they are. And now a line across. Don't go over the tie. Perfect. A little line diagonal up there. And we're gonna fill this in with a couple of rectangles, which will make up his belt. Perfect. And don't forget to go underneath the tie you've drawn. And on the sides. There we go. And now we can actually draw his pants. A couple of wavy cylinders here. Perfect. And now we're gonna draw our legs. Just a couple of lines down. Perfect. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. And now we can draw his shoes. One line there and a little bit of a bump going up with the heel. There we are. And now the other shoe with a heel. Perfect. And we'll connect those with those two lines. A little circle on each of the boot tops. And now we can fill out some sponge circles. Make as many as you like. I'm just making a couple here just for fun, and we can color those in later. And now for our color. Yellow. Dark yellow is next. Perfect on the side there. Oh, we've got some green where we filled in the sponge. And blue on the side of his shirt. Brown pants. And dark brown on the side. Dark brown in his mouth. And then we can do his tongue. And some red for his tie. And I'm filling out his socks here too. And now the black to finish him off. Perfect.